Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine.
Oh, dali, nasaan ka ngayon ulit?
Dito kami sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Okay. Nagkahit ka na sa mga followers mo. Pagod na?
Nagantay kami ng express train going to our hotel.
Oh, yan. Oh, boss, kaway-kaway. Oh, kaway-kaway. Oh. Huh?
I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me.
Oh, neto, anong tawag yung daling? Dito kami kumakas sa balcony.
Chinese beef roti, sa'yo ay chicken roti. Pinipilahan ito. Daming pumipila sa kanila.
Yung mga view ng hotel namin, oh. Alin, daling, alin sintukan mo?
Hindi ko alam kung second
Ito?
highest building in Asia or
Ito,
in the world.
yan.
Ganyan yung parang may pusok daan.
Okay.
Parang magkaparehas nga lang sila na, no?
Ay.
Hindi ako naniniwalang ano.
Okay, tapos dyan kami maliligo mamaya, oh, sa swimming pool na yan.
Saan?
Ayan.
Ayun.
Okay, Ngarod. Okay, para ko na sa mga followers mo.
Paalam mo na, mga follower. Si Alex, oh, nagbabarbell dun si Alex, eh.
Yan, oh, nagpunta ng Malaysia. Naghanap ng Jollibee. Di ba, Bebang? Tama ba? Oh, tara, kain tayo dyan. Jollibee. Saan ang entrance? Ikaw, dali, ano masasabi mo? Tama ba yung decision natin? Na pumunta ng Malaysia para kumain ng Jollibee?
Okay lang.
Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't got a care in the world right now.
Wet naman ako. Ito. Nagkuha na siya.
Bato ba chicken?
Wet naman manok.
Wet naman. Okay. Ha? Ano order mo? Squid. Squid, yan. Ikaw anak, may gusto ka?
Yeah, can you? I want one.
Ikaw anak, what's your order?
Indian squid. 15 ringgit.
Okay.
Special lemon saffron fruity.
Ilan yun ha? Oh.
Ready?
I'm in here for a fight. I'm in here for a fight.
Ay,
different, isn't it?
busog-busog yan, no?
Oh.
Ikaw, ano order mo?
No.
Nothing.
Parang palabok.
Papalabog na scallop.
Sabi ni Del, sabi niya, tama ba?
Yes, plus one kami. Nandito si Baste.
Tito Jun is here. I know him. I can feel him. I can feel him. Tito Ruth, I can feel her.
Baste in the house.
Shibuya crossing daw ng Malaysia. Malaysia to.
Hello po everybody.
Oh, yan. May bisita kami.
Sa likod.
Yeah.
Nakasabay ko po yan sa airport.
Totoo? Hindi nga. Talaga? Wow, galing ah.
Hello everybody. Dito kami sa Japan.
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Polo.
Ayun na. Tatuloy na kami sa Shibuya Crossing sa Malaysia. Oh. Walo. Di ba? Oh.
Sa Japan, masaya dito.
Yeah, welcome to Japan.
Oh, the panda.
Ha?
Mainit.
Ikaw kasi.
Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up and away, yeah, we go.
Darling, mag-vlog ka na dito sa mga followers mo.
Under construction ang Bato Caves.
Ay nako, sayang naman ang pinunta natin sa Malaysia.
Pero okay lang.
Okay nga Rod, nag-hi ka naman ang followers mo.
Ano ngayon? 12?
I think so.
25.
Oh good, ayun na.
Found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up and away, yeah, we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine.
Follow your butt. Thunder, you can't put your bag behind you.
I know. Sandra, bubuksan niya yan. Magbubukas na naman dito eh.
Kain ka lang ha. Ayusin mo buhay mo dyan. Oh, sige. Kain ka lang dyan. Nakita mo na nanay mo? Inay! Ayos si ano ah. Okay lang? Sino na?
Umi-chan. Hi. Yes.
Ay, kumakanta si Mami. Nasaan daw? Ayan na raw.
Eh, bit-bit siyang baby oh.
Ala, ay hanggang. Galing. Baby pa oh. Baby oh.
That's what I said. It's got baby.
Nakakit na kami. Taas na ito ah, darling. Kakayanin ko ba ng puso ko na ito? Ano hintay, kaya pa?
On my face, I got sunshine on my face. I don't got a care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got.
Awis, buti malamig dito.
Malamig nga. Dito ka pala dapat magpalamig. Ano?
Oo. Why? Bili mo talaga nga. Ano bili mo?
Fridge magnet.
Uy. Ang lupit na ito. Kawawa naman.
Daddy, umalis ka dyan kasi may paakyat. Daddy,
Umalis ka dyan.
umalis ka dyan. May sila aakyat. Kawawa.
Gusto mo yan? Ano ito kuya? Chinatown?
Central Market.
Ah, Central Market.
Sunshine, I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine.
And
favorite.
Mine is pears.
Wow.
You can have one. Like,
Oh, thank you, Tita. Very nice, very nice.
and you have some snacks.
Very nice. Thank you.
Sham Tarik. This is mixed with coffee and tea.
sham.
What are you recording me for? What are you recording me for?
For BBC News.
Oh, Daddy.
Pasi naman, si Pasi naman. Interview mo.
Hello.
He bought something like this.
Filipinos. Hey, your turn, my friend.
He bought this one. Basti bought this one.
Am I getting famous?
Bakit pala nito? Pupo. Pupo.
Pupo ni Noah.
Tapos ito pa.
Uy,
Ito naman ay
pang
si Udang.
ano, si Lola Adang.
And then this one, ano to? Kep? Ay, Kepo.
Bastos.
Ang bastos. Kep.
Bastos sa mga nakukuha ko.
I'm not involved in
May
this.
popo na may pocket pa.
Ano to? Tiramisu.
Ay, tiramisu.
I'm not involved in this.
Tiramisu.
Choose what you want here, and then once you're ready, you ring the bell. Yeah, you have to shake this to order, and then once the order is ready, you will receive it. Yeah.
Okay. Basti, pili ka na para ma-experience natin. Oh, mami, dati, sabi mo, para ma-experience naman natin to.
Ano yan?
I think I'm gonna get this one, Pachucha.
Me
too.
Ano, ready na?
Daddy, what do you want?
Mango cha. Oh, mango cha. Iyan.
I'm gonna have the caramel latte.
Iyan. Tapos bibel natin ito. Bel.
Malamig po ba to? Sana po malamig.
Oh, malamig yan. Oh, ano, bel na?
Wag na muna, wait.
Huwag na?
How many drinks do you have? 1, 2. Dapat 7.
Oh, kasi ito, excited. Ano, bel na?
Wait, that is the
Excited much eh.
Picture mo.
ako din.
Picture.
Oh,
Update.
update. Dito. Yeah. Bel. Ding. Ay! Mother. Ayun yung mother. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. More.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
New
Year.
Namasko. New sons. Namasko. New sons. Naman Masko.
Give a cut. Ice, everything ice. I'm just gonna
Ten. Jumbo hotdog. Kaya mo ba to?
Kukulit ah.
Nagot ako sa nanay ko.
Sagot ka, nakarecord to. Update na oh.
Yun yung sayo sa TikTok kasi nakita ko kumakaldag sila doon. So don't make pagalitan.
Ayan na, i-order namin oh.
Dami grabe famous na
Ang dami, famous ah. Dito nga ako. Oh, click. Sorry. Beverly, ayusin mo Beverly. Happy New Year. Baka kailangan mo shake.
Oh, yeah.
Happy New Year.
Lagot.
Lagot ka. Lagot. Ayan na, binuksan na. Alak ka!
One fresh cojita.
This looks like what? No, this is coffee.
What is?
Bro,
Kuya eh.
there's the mango. I would have scared the shit.
Akin yan na.
Didn't get it.
Ayan, mango.
That's that is. Wow. Go get it.
Gulat, gulat. Hello, kababayan.
kababayan.
Nandito kami sa Chinatown ngayon. Nandito kami para i-tour kayo dito sa Chinatown. Nakikita natin ang mga tao, hindi sila mga Chinese. Pero, ang mga tao dito ay mga
Indian.
Mama siya. Masyadong malakas ang boses. Shut up tayo. Marami tayong makikitang gamit dito mga kababayan. Katulad ng mga perfumes, mga peking sapatos. At marami pang peking bagay dito na mabibili na parang Divisoria lamang.
Oh, yan. Tulad yan, no?
Medyo mamahal ang mga presyo pero okay lang yan mga kababayan. Ay, lahat to original. Gawa ito lahat sa... Oh, huwag mo na videohan dito. Ito talaga. Kita-kita ko mga mata mo. Dapat nakapikit tayo pag ganun dito. Okay?
Okay nga, Rod.
Lagot ka talaga. Sumbong kita kay
Buti nakita ni mami mo. Ay, tita mo.
Tita. Muntikan lang.
Muntikan na.
Makita nga to sa video later.
I got sunshine. I got sunshine. 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 I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.
Ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Ang ganda, no? Kasing ganda mo, darling. Tingin ka dito, darling. Oh, naglalay ito.
Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my...
Uy, bumangon tayo, no? Nakuha ko, ah. Oy!
Oh, anong balita?
Ang daming
sabaw. Parang 1 litro ano. Pero
yung ano niya,
original
yung
to.
niya, malauhog.
Oo, panalo yan, darling. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for the sponsor.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Tiyak na ako. Tiyak na ako.
JB's moment.
I want the part 2. Thank you sa sponsor ko yun. Yun na, malapit na.
Already, that's cool.
Already?
G1M.
No.
Okay, for sa cry. Iyak tayo kunyari.
Ang pangit mo. Oh, no.
Domestic.
Wait. So, when you land there, it's arrivals. Don't look for transfer.
Arrivals.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dong doing.
Bye-bye.
Update.
Doing, bye-bye.
Your passport.
Passport mo, ready mo. Doing. Tayong si Baste. Oo.
Dami namin. This is what we fished. Need to show it off.
Tayong si Baste, wala.
It's actually...
I got sunshine.
mami?
Chicken roti.
Beef ang flavor.
Chicken nga.
Apa talaga itong beef?
I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow.
Okay ka na darling dyan? Happy ka na dyan?
I'm happy.
Okay?
It's the stressless cinema.
Darling. Parang sa bahay lang, nandun sa cinema.
And follow the fire marshal's instructions.
No camera na siguro dyan.
Nice experience to Basta ano yung nakalagay sa kumot mo?
Stressless cinema. Stressless cinema.
Uy, doon niya. Apa ba? Nice experience.
We're gonna crack this case and prove we're victorious partners of all time.
If you want to talk to a reptile, I am your gal.
I'm the bad guys. This is our chance to set things right. No one will believe us.
We're making a mistake. We took an oath to make the world a better place, and an innocent snake needs our help.
Here we go. Yaya mo tayo, nag-coffee pa. May silvidora pa.
Something sweet.
How is it, mami? Good? Good. Life is good.
Life is good. Stressless talaga. Panalo na yan.
Yeah.
When you makan outside,
There's a kid. Oh, hi.
so many choices.
Oh, ayos ah. Ba, may pa-service deluxe pa.
Coke Zero. Zero kaya na ito talaga.
Oo, zero yan.
Pakik pa.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. Sunshine, I gotta let you know.